Welcome to Graphic Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn poster design in Photoshop. So this is what we are going to design today. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is to create a new workspace. To do so, go to File, New. So we'll be using poster design 5. Okay, so let's use 5 by 4. So let's see how it will be. 5 by 4. Okay, let's reduce this to 3.5. Okay, so hold Ctrl and Alt, press I, so that we'll resize the workspace. Okay, so once you hold Ctrl and Alt, then press I, this window will pop up. Then click on this to disable this. Yes, let's type in 3.5. Press OK. Okay, did you see the size? So the reason why let me show you something. Hold Ctrl and Alt, then press I. The reason why I unchecked this was because if I didn't uncheck this, once I'm adjusting this side will be adjusting automatically. Okay, so that's why I unchecked this, so that you can be able to adjust any side. Okay, so this is it. So our workspace has been created. The next thing we'll do is to start importing our backgrounds and everything we used for the project. So guys, if today is the first time coming to my channel, kindly go to my channel, subscribe, then turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I drop new videos. And if you are a beginner, make sure you don't skip any part in this video so that you'll be able to know how I did everything you are seeing here. Okay, make sure you don't skip this video. Make sure you watch this to the end. Okay, so let's continue. I will embed the link in the description below so that you'll be able to download all the resources I used for this project. Okay, so let's go. Let's bring in our backgrounds and all the things I used for this design. Okay, so let's go. Go to File, Place Embedded. If you don't want to use Place Embedded, you can also drag and drop your work. Okay, so increase this to fit the workspace, press Enter. Okay, then go to File, Place Embedded, drag this in, fill the workspace with this, hold Shift and drag. Okay, press Enter. Or if you don't want to use Place Embedded, you can actually drag it to your Photoshop and drop it. It will still work fine. Okay, so delete. So the next thing we'll do is to bring in the picture. Go to File, Place Embedded. So this is the picture. So keep it somewhere here. Okay, press Enter. So grab your rectangle tool, right click on this rectangle tool, draw it, change it to black, go to File, Blur, Gaussian Blur, increase this so it's better now. Take it to the back of the picture, little bit at the back of the picture, then reduce the size. Okay, so add a layer mask on this so that we'll blend this background. We'll blend this here. Okay, so let's first change this blending mode. Let's change this to scrim. Okay, let's use another. I think this is better, lightening. So change the blending mode to lightening. Select the layer mask, grab your brush tool, make sure your foreground is in black color. Okay, so reduce this with bracket button beside P on your keyboard. Okay, so let's reduce this. This is good. Okay, so press Ctrl S to save. Let's save it at our desktop. Always save your work so that you won't lose your work if you're interrupted by light or anything, or if your Photoshop crashes. Okay, make sure you save. Okay, so the next to do is to begin typing in our text. Revival praise. Ctrl T for free transform. Keep it over here. So this is what we are going to work on. This is what we achieve. Okay, so I'm using this font. Okay, so this is the font I used for the test. I'll give you access to download the fonts in the description below. You can check it out and download it. Okay, so double click on this, select gradient. So I've already customized the gradient I want to use. So if you want to use any one here, you can pick this. So see the one I used. Okay, you can pick this, change this side to lighter yellow, pick yellow from somewhere here. Okay, so this is it. You see it. So that's the one I want to use. Okay, so grab your brush tool again. Let's reduce this place, adjust it a little bit so that this background will pop up more. This text will pop out more. Yeah, press Ctrl S to save. So let's type in other text: Church of Worldwide, Church of Worldwide. Press enter. Keep it somewhere here. Ctrl T. Enter. So use present. Ctrl T. Reduce the size. Keep it here under this. Okay. Ctrl S to save. So let's bring in church logo. Place embedded. Download. So this is church icon I used. Okay. To change the color, you can press Ctrl I on your keyboard. Ctrl I to invert the black to white. That's the shortcut to change this color. Or you can actually double click on this color overlay, change it to white. You can pick any color you like, but change it to white and press OK. It will still give you the same result, but the Ctrl I is the fastest. Okay. Then bring this down a little. Let's add a little shadow in it. A little shadow. Reduce opacity. Reduce the distance. Opacity. I think we are good to go. Ctrl S to save. Okay. So grab your rectangle tool, drag and drop. Change this to gradient. Pick the gradient I saved. Okay, sorry, let's double click on this gradient overlay. I pick this gradient, the one I used here, I saved it. Okay, you can save gradient by pressing new. It will be saved so that you can pick it and use it on anything you want to do. Okay, so I have saved it. So let's add a white stroke inside, reduce the size. This is good. Control T. Let's reduce the stroke. This is good. Okay, so let's apply a dumb test. Dummy test. Grab your rectangle test tool, drag and drop somewhere here if you didn't show up. So let me pick it from this, the one I used here. The test is a dummy test, so I want to use it and complete this design. While using this for a real project, you can use a retest for your client. Okay, so keep it somewhere here, keep this somewhere here, bring this picture down a little bit. Okay, so bring this down. The header is to select it to bring it down a little. Okay, Control T, drag this background up a little. It's okay. Control S to save. So the next we'll do is to type in other things I put on the design. So grab the rectangle tool, drag this, keep it here, double click on it, change the gradient overlay to this, then add a white stroke. Okay, then Control J. Okay, let's work on this first before we duplicate. So grab your lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, keep it here, click here, click here, click here, and enter. Then go to adjustment layer, select color, select white, drag it under this rectangle you created, then reduce the opacity, hold Control, select the two, press Control G to group the two, Control J to duplicate it, so shift it, keep it under this. Okay, I think it's cool now. Then hold Control, select the two group, Control T, right click, select skew and shift it like this. I think it's good. So we'll be typing in the dates and time here. So grab your test tool. Let's use 30th July. Okay, Control T. Keep it here. Change it to black. Control T, right click, skew. Press Control J. Let's pick, change time to 6 a.m. 6 p.m. Okay. So this is it. Control S to save. Always save your work, okay? think this drop shadow isn't looking good, so let's remove this drop shadow so that this text will look very good, look better. Okay, I think it's okay like this without the shadow. So I disable it from here. So I disable it from there. Okay. So click on this, group these two, Control G, so that you can move it. Okay. Control S to save. So let's type in the next text. So let's type in featuring breakthrough deliverance fruit on the womb, open door, etc. Control T, align this to the right, change the color to, okay, leave it in black. Control T. So let's change the font style to, let's say, let me use Monsterite. Change it to bold, Monsterite bold, or black, Monsterite black. Control T, reduce the size, zoom it in, grab your rectangle tool, highlight this featuring so that we'll put the rectangle on it, change it to white, drag it under so that it will appear under the featuring. Okay, grab your select the rectangle tool, go over to this, remove the outline so that it will be plain. Okay, so this is it. Select the featuring, Control G to group the two. Okay, so let's type in the other text. Let's say church auditorium. Align it to the center. Control T, reduce the size, keep it here, press enter, change it to white. Let's use white here, white will be better. Then let's bring in location icon, go to file, place embedded. So let me place it on this, place it somewhere here, Control T, enter. Hold Control, select the two, take it down. Control G to group the two. Okay. So let's type in the last text. Let's say come and remain blessed. Okay. Change this to regular. Control T, enter. Okay, so this is okay, this is good. Let's change this font style. Let's look for any font and use any italic font. This is, I think this is better. Now let's look for another one. Let's use this. I think this is better. This is better. So select this picture, go to File, Camera Raw, increase the clarity, increase the shadow, reduce light highlights, reduce the black, then increase this color, then increase this yellow too, press OK. You see the picture is looking cool now, before, after. Okay, so guys, let's summarize the design. Hold Ctrl Shift Alt, then press E to merge all these layers to a single layer so that we work on the entire background, entire design. Sorry, go to File, Camera Raw, increase the clarity, and press OK. So this is it. Hold Ctrl Shift, then press S to save as. Save it as JPEG. Press OK. Then let's view it. Okay. Poster design. So this is it. So this is the final results of this design. So guys, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. If you do not understand anything, ask me in the comment section. I will attend to your question. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, then turn on the notification bell so that I get notified anytime I drop new video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.